Here, got something for you.
Mom. He's not right. Here they come! Wait.
She got the camera set up.
The one was hovering over my face. Oh my god. Got you. The one was literally hovering right here. He is the girl in the park.
I know he is.
On Home Alone, Justin knows the part. I'll take this picture for Justin. He'll know.
Should I stop yours?
There's the big part coming right now.
Oh shit. Okay. Sorry. Plug it in the front.
I'm zooming in on you, little. Come to me, my little birdie friends.
When you don't have anything left, they gouge your eyes out. Does that scare you at all?
Yeah.
Does that do anything for you?
Which one am I gonna eat? I want this one.
It's hilarious.
Hey, buddies.
He's messed up, ain't he?
Cherish would love that.
There's something wrong with that.
Cherish would totally love that.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Just a little.
I'm gonna run over there and make them all run.
Not a worm. Not a worm.
Ah!